locate electrons in an atom. These are the numbers to locate electrons in an atom is called as the quantum numbers. We have 4 quantum numbers: n, l, m, s. N means principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, mass quantum number, and spin quantum number. First we have to discussing about the principal quantum number n. Principal quantum number, it is denoted by the small n. N tells about number of shells. N tells about number of shells. N is equal to 1 means K shell. N is equal to 2 means L shell. N is equal to 3 means M shell. N is equal to 4 means N shell, like this. N tells about number of shells, like this. Number of cells. N is equal to 1 means K shell. N is equal to 2 means L shell. N is equal to 3 means M shell. N is equal to 4 means N shell. N tells about number of cells. Already we are discussing about each orbit having maximum number of electrons. How many is the formula is 2n square. Maximum number of electrons present in an orbital is 2n square. K shell having K into 2n square means 2 into 1 square is 2 electrons is a K shell. L shell 2 into 2 square, total 8 electrons in L shell. 2 into 3 square, total 18 electrons in M shell. In N shell 2 into 4 square, 32 will get. This is N shell. K shell means 2, L shell means 8 electrons. 2n square formula, maximum number of electrons present in an orbit. This is the principal quantum number. Next we are going to discussing about azimuthal quantum number. It is denoted by the L. L tells about number of subcells. L tells about number of subcells. N is equal to 1 means K shell. Okay, N is equal to 1 means K shell. L values is lies between 0 to n minus 1. L values is lies between 0 to n minus 1. N is equal to 1 means K shell. L value is what is that? N minus 1, 0. 0 means that is S orbital. Next N is equal to 2. That is L shell. L is equal to 0. 2 means 0 comma 1. 0, 2 minus 1 will get 1. 1 means what is that? S comma P. N is equal to 3. That is the K, L, M shell. L values are 0, 1, 2. That means S comma P comma D. N is equal to 4. N shell. L values are 0, 1, 2, 3. S comma P comma D comma F. Okay, finally L tells about number of subcell. L value is equal to 0 means that is S subcell. L value is equal to 1 means that is P subcell. L value is 2 means that is D subcell. L value is 3 means that is F subcell. L is equal to 0 means S subcell. L is equal to 1 means P subcell. L is equal to 2 means D subcell. L is equal to 3 means F subcell. L tells about the number of subcells. Next, third one, magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number is denoted by the small m. M tells about orientation of orbitals. Orientation of orbitals. M tells about orientation of orbitals. M values are lies between minus L to plus L. M values are lies between minus L to plus L. L value is 0. M value also 0. That is S orbital. L value is 1. M values are minus 1, 0, plus 1. L value is 1 means which orbital? That is P orbital. In P, we subshell having how many orbitals? 3 orbitals. That orientation is minus 1, 0, plus 1. L value is 2 means M values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 plus 2 will get. That is L is equal to 2 means which orbital? D orbital. D subshell having how many? 5 orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Same like this, L is equal to 3 means M values are what is that? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. F is the orbital having how many? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Magnetic quantum number tells about the orientation of orbital. L is equal to 0 means S orbital, 1 means P orbital, 2 means D orbital, 3 means F orbital. Next, spin quantum number. It is denoted by the S. Spin quantum number tells about rotation of electrons. Tells about rotation of electrons. Each orbital can have maximum 2 electrons, yes or not? One is clockwise direction, another one is anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise direction is spin is plus half, anti-clockwise spin is minus half. Clockwise direction spin is plus half, anti-clockwise spin is minus half. Next we are going to discussing about the rules for electron filling. Rules for electron filling. We have 3 rules. One is Aufbau principle. Second one is Pauli's exclusive principle. Exclusion principle. Third one is Hund's rule. First we are going to discussing about Aufbau principle. Aufbau principle. Electrons are filled in orbital, increasing order of their energy. Electrons are filled in orbital, increasing order of their energy. That means electrons are filled in orbital first, which have less energy. For example, 1s, 2s is there. In these 2 orbital, which one having less energy, the electron is going to first that orbital. In 1s and 2s, 1s having less energy, so only first electrons enter into the 1s orbital. How to identify the which one is less energy, which one is more energy? According to N plus L rule. According to N plus L rule. N plus L rule value. N plus L value is less energy. N plus L value is higher energy. When compared to the 1s and 2s, 1s having more energy, less energy than 2s according to N plus L rule. In 1s, N value is what is that? N. L value is what is that? 0. In 2s, N value is 2. L value is 0. According to N plus L, we will get 1 plus 0 here 1. Here 2 plus 0 will get 2. That means here higher value means this is higher energy than this one. That means first electrons enter into the lowest energy orbital. Here Moeller scientist is giving for how to write for electronic configuration of element. One diagram is giving. First 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s. After that 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d, 4f, 5f. First electrons enter into the 1s orbital. After that electrons enter into the 2s orbital. After 2s orbital, electrons enter into the 2p orbital. After 2p orbital, electrons enter into the 3s orbital. After 3s orbital, electrons enter into the 3p orbital. After 3p is going to 3d, but here after 3p is electron is entering into the 4s orbital. After 4s, electrons is entered to 3d orbital. Y means you have see here 4s and 3d according to n plus L rule. 4s n value is 4, L value is 0. Here L value is a 2 and n value is a 3. According to n plus L rule, here 4 plus 0 you will get only 4. But here 3 plus 2, how much will get? 5. That means 3d value is more than the 4s. That means 4s having less energy than the 3d. So only first electrons enter into the 4s, after that 3d. This is the order for the how to filling the electrons or electrons filling in the orbitals. Like this, fill in orbitals. This is called as Euler diagram. First electrons enter to the 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, after 3p 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, again 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7. Like this is the going. That order is first 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, after that 4s, 3d, after that 4p. Like this is going on. Okay, this is the Aufbau principle. Electrons are filled in orbitals in increasing order of their energy. Which one having lowest energy of orbital? First electrons enter into the lowest energy orbital. Next, Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's exclusion, what he said, no two electrons in an atom, have all four quantum numbers same. Pauli's exclusion, no two electrons in an atom have all four quantum numbers same. So first here we can remove this no. Now we read that sentence, two electrons in an atom have all four quantum numbers same. This statement is correct? No. Yes, in orbital, two electrons is there. All four quantum numbers is there. Remaining three is same, but must and should be spin will be different or not. This for the minus of, this for the plus of. That means must and should be spin is the different. That conditional he said, what is the Pauli's exclusive principle? No two electrons in an atom have all four quantum numbers same. For example, sodium atomic number is 11. Outermost electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. For this 3s1, we have one electron. What is the principal quantum number? N value is 3. L value is s orbital for 0. M value is also 0. Spin value is plus of. Calcium we can take 20. Outermost electron, what is that? 1s to 2s to 2p6, 3s to 3p6, 4s2 will get. Outermost electron is 4s2. In 4s orbital, we have 2 electrons. In 2 electron means for this electron first, n is equal to 4. This electron also n is equal to 4. This electron for s also is there, L is equal to 0. This also L is equal to 0. M value is L value 0 means M value also 0. But spin value is this electron for plus of, this electrons for minus of. See here, this is same, this is same, but spin will be must and should be different. That is only condition here. No two electrons in an atom have all four quantum numbers same. Must and should be spin will be different. This is only Pauli exclusive principle. Next, Hund's rule. Hund's rule. Hund's rule. While filling electrons in a given subshell in degenerate orbitals, pairing of electrons won't take place unless each orbital contains one unpaired of electrons. What is meant by Hund's rule means, while filling electrons in an orbital or in a given subshell in degenerate orbital. Degenerate orbitals means in p subshell having 3 orbitals, d subshell having 5 orbitals. These all are having same energy is called as what is that? degenerate orbital. While filling electrons in a given subcell in degenerate orbital, pairing of electron won't takes place. Pairing of electron won't takes place. Under each orbital contains one unpaired of electron. Each orbital contains one unpaired of electrons. For example, I can take nitrogen is 7. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. This is the electronic configuration for nitrogen. S orbital is 2 electrons. In 2s also 2 electrons. In 2p orbital, in p subcell having 3 orbitals. 3 electrons, 1 is pairing first, 1 unpaired of electron. After that, the filling takes place. Starting only, they do not takes place filling here. 1 unpaired of electron can forming only. Again, they can forming filling. Oxygen atomic number is 8. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. In 2p4, how will filling means 3 orbital, 1 electron. First 1 unpaired of electron. Next here 1 unpaired of electron. Here 1 unpaired. Fourth one again going to for filling. 5 will be there, here filling. 6 will be there, here filling, like this. First they can forming 1 unpaired of electron, then only filling takes place. That is the Hund's multiplicity rule. I hope you student understood. I hope you understand this concept, this atomic structure in part 1. We will do next part 2 in chemical bonding chapter. Thank you.